Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class, we have learned that how to build one desktop notifier app with Python, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now in this class, we will see that how to build one Leap-it app with Python, and I hope you will enjoy this class also like you are enjoying my all previous classes. Leap-it app means that leap year app, okay? It's meaning that leap it, but we will call it leap year, okay? So now we will start. So let's start. Now first of all, you have to open your text editor what you have, okay? So I will open my IDLE. Like you all know that we work with this IDLE, okay? So now I have opened my IDLE and taken new file from here, okay? So now here you can see this is untitled file over here. You can also work here also, but there is from small project you can work there, but we are working with our new file over here. Now first of all save it over here, okay? So now we will just give that name of like leap, okay? Just leap, okay? So now just .py is really important to write, like you all know that. And now location will be of desktop where we will be saving our file and save it over here. Now here you can see we have saved our file over here, and now here you can see from here you can run your module. When you have done, then here you can format your paragraph, or there are many options, and you can take new window from here also, okay? So now here you can see leap.py, there is our location showing over here, okay? So you can see this user install desktop leap.py over here, and you can take help also if you don't know about this IDLE, okay, over here. Now here is file, so from new file you can take new file like, and you can open your module, or you can open your file over here if you already made it, okay? So now we will start. Now till here we have done. Now first of all you have to write like air, okay? We are working with our leap year, so our app will be like, it will be telling us that when will be our leap year and when will be not leap year, okay? So now here will be like air, okay? So now in air it will be init tag, okay? Like you all know that, and I talk about it many times, and I tell you about like init and input has many functions, and these are different from each other, okay? So now init is used in some Grammarly options, and input is used like for asking any questions or giving any answers over here, okay? So now we will also use input with this init tag over here, okay? So just I am telling you so you can remember like what is init and what is input tag over here, okay? So now we have written this init tag for Grammarly over here. Now here you have to write like input tag, like I have tell you we have to use it also over here. Now when you have written this input tag, just write another bracket, because init and input are one function, and we have to write two brackets from one from each other over here. So now here you have to write string, one string over here, okay? So now in the string we will write like enter the air, okay? Because user will first enter his air, so he can enter, when he will enter his air, so he will be getting like answer of it is the air he enters, it is a leap year or it was not a leap year, okay? So now here you have to close this string over here. Now just space over here, just backspace and space over here. Now here you have to close with two brackets over here, okay? Because we have start here also and here also, so these are two brackets, and here we have closed with our two brackets over here, okay? Now you have to write here like if air, okay? If air, which will be like this sign, % sign, okay? So now here you have to write 4, which will be equal 0 over here, okay? So now here till here we have defined our work. Now just you have to write semicolon over here, press enter, and now here you have to define like if air again, which will be now this % sign, and now it will be 100 over here, okay? So now equal 0. We are writing this so we can define every year over here, okay? So now over here just write semicolon again and write again if air, like again you have to write this % sign, and now here you have to write 400, okay? Like we have written 4 and 100 over here, so we have to write 400 now. So now you have to just write 2 equals to 0, then you have to write semicolon over here, and now when you have written this all thing, just you have to write print tag, okay? So now in this print tag we will write first of all air, okay? So now we have to write a string and just close that string and close that bracket over here, okay? So now here in this bracket you have to write like is leap year, okay? I am writing that because when user will enter his air, so there will be coming air, and the answer will be like Python will give his answer that it is a leap year, so there is coming the air like 1700 is a leap year, like answer this will come. Okay, so now here just we have defined these all things, like I have tell you all, when you have defined if tag, so we have to define elif tag. Okay, so now we are defining 3 if tags over here, and now we have to define 3 elif tag also. Okay, so now here write just else. Okay, so now here we are defining else. Okay, you can also define with elif if you want to, but I am defining with else over here. Okay, so now here you can write like print. Okay, and here will be also like air over here. Okay, because we are defining air over here. Now here will be like is leap year, and now here will be is not a leap year. Okay, if it will be not a leap year which user writes, so there will be coming like the air, and it will be telling like is not a leap year over here. Okay, so now just you have to do like just close this bracket. Okay, so now just when you have done this all, just enter over here, and now backspace over here, because we have written one else over here, and when we are writing backspace, so we have to write another else with its backspace over here. Okay, so now here you have to write like else over here, it will be like print over here, and here also you have to write air. Okay, so now in air, but in air you have to write like is leap year only. Okay, here we have written is leap year, and now here we have to write just okay, because is leap year is different from this. Okay, is a leap year is different, and is leap year is different from here. Okay, so now we have also defined like is not a leap year over here. Now just you have to write like that, like you have to just close bracket over here, and now another backspace, another backspace over here. Okay, so now we have done, and we have erased one backspace over here. Okay, now here you have to write like else over here again, and now here you have to another write print tag over here. Okay, and now in this print tag you have to define like air again, and now this will be now not a leap year. Okay, now we have defined this thing over here. Okay, so now we have defined 4 of these. Okay, like we have defined 3 over here, and now here we are defining 4. Okay, air is a leap year, air is not a leap year, air is leap year, air not a leap year over here. Okay, and here user will write his air. Okay, he want to, so now then it will be giving answer. Okay, over here now just you have to run your module over here. Okay, so now just go to run and press this run module. Okay, so now just press it, and you have to just okay, select. Okay, so now here you can see it is asking like enter the air over here. Okay, like if I enter the air like 2000 over here. Okay, so now here you can see 2000 is a leap year. Okay, so now it is coming like 2000 is a leap year. So if I close it and run it again, okay, and now if I write like 1700 over here, so it will come like 1700 is not a leap year over here. Okay, so now here you can see this 1700 is not a leap year. If you want many times over here, so you can also do like just copy this. Okay, just come over here, and here you have to just paste over here which you have work done, and again paste. Okay, and now if you run it, so it will come 3 times over here. So now if I write like 2021 is not a leap year, if I write like 2000, it is a leap year. Okay, so now here you can see it is a leap year. If I write 2020, so you can see 2020 is a leap year. Okay, so now here you can see this, there is coming 2020 is leap year, 2000 is not a leap year, and 2021 is also not a leap year. Okay, so now here you can see this, we have done our work over here, and here is made it our air app. Okay, so now I hope you understand that how to build one leap it app with Python, and I hope you will you all enjoy this class also like you are enjoying my all previous classes. So just you have to practice these all things like we are working with it. Okay, so you will be more enough to do many works and many projects that I am doing. Okay, so now I hope you all enjoyed this class also. So I will meet you in another class. So for today, goodbye.